Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video about this absolutely superb Honda Transalp. Here we have a Honda Transalp. This is a 2024 bike on a 74 plate with just 2,953 miles and a full service history. This bike's in great condition and comes top to toe in a graphics kit, which also obviously doubles as a paint protection kit. It looks really, really nice. Actually, it's really livened up this model, I have to say. Handguards all looking really, really good, no sign of any damage there, and the fully adjustable mirrors also in excellent condition, no sign of any drop damage. All the bodywork with the sticker kit on all looking really good. Hepco and Becker full length engine guards, aluminium bash plate. The bike's also got the quick shifter and a few rider modes as well. The engine there, no sign of any drop damage there. The exhaust all in fantastic condition as you can see, and the rear wheel, no corrosion, no damage. No dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches. Likewise, a swinging arm, all looking really, really good. There's a light mark on the rear foot peg and also on the grab rail. But other than that, all very, very good. The rear tyre, plenty of tread left, and it's looking a very purposeful off-road item there as well. The seat, there's no rips or tears there. Petrol tank, all looking really good indeed. And the front of the bike, you've got that Hepco and Becker aluminium bash plate there and the radiator guard as well. The forks all looking good, and the front mud guard also wrapped there, looking really nice as well. It's a great colour scheme, I have to say. The front wheel all in excellent condition there as well. The front tyre, plenty of tread left on that one there for you. The front of the bike all looking really good, no stone chips, no cracks, no damage. And the left hand side of the bike, again, generally speaking, all looking very, very nice indeed. The handguards all in good condition. No sign of any damage on the mirror. Likewise, the bodywork and engine protection all looking really clean and tidy there. There's your quick shifter. And the front wheel, again, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches. And the front mud guard on this left-hand side looking all good. Petrol tank also looking in really nice condition. All the side panels, grab rails on this side, all looking really, really good. Chain sprockets, plenty of life left in those as well, obviously such low mileage, and the rear wheel all looking very, very nice. Rear shock absorber is all clean and tidy in there as well. No rips or tears in the seats, and the petrol tank all looking in superb condition. Colour dashboard, and all your buttons for your modes and such like there on the handlebars. So if you are looking for a dual purpose motorcycle, look no further than this stunning Honda Transalp. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this terrific Transalp, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.